Hey guys, this is how to fix chess.com app not working. So guys, watch till then as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search icon at the bottom and go for the top. And after that, just simply go for the chess.com application. And now from here, just simply tap on the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to see here update button, and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update so you won't have any issue. Now, another option that you have is just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply go for chess over here. Just simply find it, guys. And after that, just simply tap on it. And now go for the storage and go for clear cache. And if you still have issues, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another option that you have is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the Chess app again and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on uninstall. And from there, just simply reinstall it back again into your device and you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya!